Well, howdy there. My name is Buck and I'm from Texas, originally from Montana. And this is my first Vine review, and it is of the PANRANO submersible 1 horsepower sump pump, fully submersible. And we're going to do an unboxing at this point, and then I have a fountain over here that I'm repairing, and we're going to do a submersible test on that to take the water out of it. So first, here is the pump. We're going to unbox it. A little bit of styrofoam. Let's see what we got here. This is the 16 feet of cord, an instruction booklet. What do we got? Well, it's heavy. We have a nice, very stainless steel submersible pump with a pretty long cord, looks. I'd say that looks about 10 feet. And a bunch of, well, let's just open these up. Proving that that's a little more difficult than I am. An adapter. It's right on there. Some thread tape. A hose clamp and another adapter. Okay, we're going to take this over to the fountain in just a second, and that will be the second video. Thank you.